Hello and welcome to another weekly review with the most important news of this week on this hobby that you love so much. And we start with a mystery. Some people found a lime green Lamborghini Huracan from Liberty Walk. And we already saw all the mixes of 2022 of the basic line, and we didn't saw this car, this version, in any boxes. So this, in fact, it's an exclusive color for American shop, but we don't know yet which one will be. Some people found it on Walmart and other stores, but we don't have information right now about which store will carry this one. So stay tuned for more information soon. There's more great news this week. A new mix of Car Culture Teen Transport series has appeared, and we have pictures of all three sets. And there's some great news on this because first of all we have a great set with a beautiful Mercedes with IWC watches decoration, and this is very fine. It's not a new Mercedes. It has appeared in Car Culture series years ago, and now he's returning on this series, and it is extremely beautiful in my opinion, of course. There's a new boat. Hot Wheels doing boats, yes, a speedboat for this series with a truck, and some people didn't like it, but I don't know. You must put your comment here to say if you like it or not. And there's an MG Metro, a new car. It didn't appear elsewhere, and it's the first time it's appearing on a series, on a premium series, and it was a rally car. It was a great rally car from Group B, and it's now here on Car Culture Teen Transport, and it's a good set. So this is a great mix, and it will appear soon in September in Asia and October, November in the rest of the world. So stay tuned for it. And there's another Car Culture mix that just appeared in Malaysia, and we have pictures here from my friend Ministry of Diecast. They did an unboxing video, and I will put the link here in the description below. And there's some great new cars from Leno. Of course, you know Leno. He's a great star in America, and he's a great collector of cars. And these are some replicas of his cars. There's some new ones like the tank car and the Lamborghini Countach, and of course the Chevy Corvair. It is the first time this Corvair appears and has this Yanko decoration, and is really fine. A lot of people will like it. And of course the Lamborghini has a chase too. It will be very difficult to find it, but it has a variation, a rare variation in black. So this red one is the very common one that you will find it very easier on stores. And there's a black one that is the chase, and it's very rare. So pay attention on your hunt to find this chase car that is really beautiful. And there's this Mercedes. A lot of people think this is an error on the deco, on the door, but it's not. The real car, it's just like that because Jay Leno didn't restore it yet. So you see in the car some scratches and some painting problems, but this is exactly a replica of the real car that is just that way. So this is not an error, this is not a problem. You can just buy it and put in your collection. It's a beautiful car. And we got pictures of another 2023 new car. It's not new, it's a Chevy Gasser. It's very common in Hot Wheels basic line, but this is the first time appearing with this decoration. And of course the wheels on the pictures are not real. They are someone customized it, and we will see soon the real wheels for this car, and it should appear on Mix A or Mix B from 2023. And is it anybody tired of this model? I don't think so, because a lot of people want to collect this car, and it will appear again in 2023. So please stay here on this channel to see more pictures of it in the future with the real wheels. And just now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave your comment here to tell me if you're liking these English videos with news, so I can do it more for you. And now we have pictures of another exclusive Red Line Clube car. Nobody saw these pictures you're seeing this for the first time, and it's another Camaro. And it's another 69 Camaro, and it's very beautiful with this silver color, and there's a backplate that reads "Catch Me," and it will be available soon on Mattel Creation site for Red Line Club members. So if you like Camaros, if you like muscle cars, you need to wait a bit more for it. They should release it soon, they should announce it soon, because the car is ready to be sold. So this is a new one, we don't have much information about that, and should be available soon. So please stay here with me, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comment, like this video, and I will show all the important news of this hobby. And you can follow me on my social media. I put all the links here in the description of this video, and you can find me there and see all the information you need every day. So I'll be here on the next week bringing more information for you and some new cars that nobody saw. So thank you for watching it, and I see you soon. Thank you.